At the market. It is Saturday morning. The sun is shining, and the sky is blue. Birds sing in the trees. Anna wakes up early because she wants to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. She takes her shopping bag and walks to the market. The market is big and busy. There are many stands with colorful fruits, green vegetables, and homemade food. People walk around, talking and smiling. The air smells like fresh bread, ripe fruit, and flowers. Anna stops at a fruit stand. The seller is an old man with a kind smile. "Good morning. What do you want to buy?" he asks. "Good morning. Your fruits look very fresh," Anna says. "Do you have apples?" "Yes, I have red apples and green apples," the seller says. "The red apples are sweet, and the green apples are a little sour." "I like sweet apples." "How much are they?" Anna asks. "They are 60 cents per pound," the seller says. "I will take 2 pounds, please," Anna says. The seller puts the apples in a brown paper bag. Anna gives him the money. "Thank you. Have a nice day," she says. "You too," the seller says. Anna walks to a vegetable stand. She sees red tomatoes, orange carrots, and fresh green lettuce. The vegetables are clean and look delicious. "Good morning. Are the tomatoes fresh?" Anna asks. "Yes, they are very fresh. They come from the farm this morning," the seller says. "That is good. How much are they?" Anna asks. "They are 80 cents per pound," the seller says. "I will take 4 pounds, please," Anna says. The seller puts the tomatoes in a bag. "Do you need carrots?" "They are very good today," he says. "Yes, I need carrots." "How much are they?" Anna asks. "They are $1 per pound," the seller says. "They are a little expensive," Anna says. "Yes, but they are very fresh and sweet," the seller says. "Okay, I will take 2 pounds," Anna says. Anna pays for the vegetables and puts them in her bag. She looks around and sees a small wooden stand with jars of jam and honey. A woman with a friendly face stands behind it. "Good morning. What do you have here?" Anna asks. "Good morning. I have homemade jam and honey. Everything is made on my family's farm," the woman says. "That sounds delicious. What flavors do you have?" Anna asks. "I have strawberry jam, peach jam, and blueberry jam. I also have fresh honey from our bees," the woman says. "I love strawberry jam. How much is it?" Anna asks. "It is $4 per jar," the woman says. "And the honey?" Anna asks. "The honey is $6 per jar," the woman says. "I will take 1 jar of strawberry jam and 1 jar of honey," Anna says. The woman wraps the jars in paper and puts them in a small bag. "Here you go. Thank you for your purchase," the woman says. "Thank you. Everything looks wonderful," Anna says. Anna feels happy. Her bag is full of fresh apples, tomatoes, carrots, and sweet homemade jam and honey. The sun is warm, and the market is full of life. Now she will go home and make a delicious meal. Morning talk. It is early in the morning. The sun is rising. The birds are singing. Mary is sleeping in her bed. Her mother opens the door. Good morning, Mary. It is time to wake up, Mom says. Mary moves under the blanket. 5 more minutes, please, she says. Mom smiles. No, no. You will be late for school. Come on, wake up, she says. Mary sits up and rubs her eyes. Okay, okay. I am awake, she says. Good. Now go wash your face and brush your teeth, Mom says. Mary gets out of bed and goes to the bathroom. She washes her face with cold water. She brushes her teeth. Now she feels awake. She goes back to her room. She opens her closet and takes out her school uniform. It is a blue skirt and a white shirt. Now she is ready for breakfast. She goes to the kitchen. Mom is making breakfast. The kitchen smells good. Mom, what are we having for breakfast? Mary asks. You can choose, Mom says. Do you want toast with butter or cereal with milk? I want toast with butter, Mary says. Good choice. And here is a banana for you, Mom says. Yum. I like bananas, Mary says. Do you want juice or milk? Mom asks. Milk, please. Mary says. Mom puts the toast on a plate. She gives Mary a glass of milk and a banana. Eat well. You need energy for school, Mom says. Mary eats her toast. The butter is warm and soft. She drinks her milk. It is cold and fresh. She peels the banana and takes a bite. It is sweet and soft. Did you pack your school bag? Mom asks. Yes, I have my books and my notebook, Mary says. Do you have your lunch? Mom asks. Oh no! I forgot. Mary says. Mom laughs. It is here on the table. Don't forget it, she says. Mary takes her lunchbox and puts it in her backpack. She looks at the clock. Oh! The school bus is coming soon. Mary says. Yes, go put on your shoes, Mom says. Mary runs to the door and puts on her shoes. She takes her backpack. Okay, Mom. I am ready. Mary says. Good. Have a nice day at school. Mom says. Thank you. Bye, Mom. Mary says. She opens the door and runs outside. The yellow school bus is coming down the street. Mom watches from the window. She smiles. Another good morning, she says. At the bakery. It is a sunny morning. The air smells like fresh bread. Tom walks to the bakery. He wants to buy bread and something sweet. He opens the door. A small bell rings. The bakery is warm and cozy. There are many kinds of bread and cakes in the glass display. Good morning, Tom says. Good morning, the baker says. How can I help you? I want to buy some bread, Tom says. We have many types of bread, the baker says. We have white bread, whole wheat bread, and sourdough bread. I will take 1 loaf of whole wheat bread, Tom says. Good choice, the baker says. He takes a fresh loaf and puts it in a paper bag. Tom looks at the display. There are many sweet treats. Everything looks delicious. Tom says. Yes. We have croissants, muffins, and donuts, the baker says. I like croissants. What flavors do you have? Tom asks. We have plain croissants, chocolate croissants, and almond croissants, the baker says. I love chocolate. I will take 1 chocolate croissant, Tom says. Great choice. Do you want anything else? The baker asks. Yes. I want something for my sister. She loves sweet things, Tom says. Maybe she will like a muffin, the baker says. We have blueberry muffins and banana muffins. Blueberry sounds good. I will take 1 blueberry muffin, Tom says. The baker puts the croissant and muffin in a small box. Would you like a coffee or tea with your food? The baker asks. A coffee sounds nice, Tom says. Okay. Do you want it with milk and sugar? The baker asks. Yes, please. A little milk and some sugar, Tom says. The baker prepares the coffee and hands it to Tom. The smell is warm and rich. Here you go. That will be $8.50, the baker says. Tom takes out his wallet and gives the money. Thank you very much, Tom says. You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast, the baker says. Tom leaves the bakery with his fresh bread, sweet treats, and hot coffee. He feels happy. It is a good morning. Cleaning the house. It is Saturday morning. Mom looks around the house. There are toys on the floor. There are dirty dishes in the sink. There is dust on the table. This house is a mess. Mom says. She calls her children Emma and Ben. Kids, we need to clean the house, Mom says. Emma and Ben look at each other. Cleaning is not fun. But Mom, it's Saturday. Ben says. Yes, it's Saturday. A perfect day to clean. Mom says with a big smile. Emma crosses her arms. Can we clean tomorrow? She asks. No. We clean today, Mom says. Mom gives them tasks. Emma, you sweep the floor. Ben, you wash the dishes. I will clean the living room. Emma and Ben sigh. Cleaning is boring. Emma takes the broom and starts sweeping. She finds a cookie under the table. Hey, look! A cookie, she says. Ben laughs. Is it still good? Emma makes a face. No. It is hard like a rock. She throws it away. Ben goes to the sink. There are many dirty plates. He puts soap and water in the sink. He washes a plate. Easy. Then he washes a cup. But the cup is slippery. Oh no! The cup falls and breaks. Mom runs to the kitchen. Ben! What happened? The cup wanted freedom, Ben says. Mom sighs. Be careful. Meanwhile, Emma finishes sweeping. She looks at the mop. I will mop the floor now, she says. She puts soap and water in a bucket. She dips the mop in the water. She starts mopping. But she uses too much water. The floor is very wet. Ben walks into the room. Emma, look! I slip. Ben falls on the floor. Ouch! Why is the floor so wet? Are you cleaning or making a swimming pool? He asks. Emma laughs. Oops. Maybe a little less water next time. A few minutes later, Emma finishes cleaning the floor. Mom finishes dusting the shelves. She looks around. The house is clean. Good job, kids, she says. Are we done? Ben asks. Yes, we are done. Mom says. Emma and Ben cheer. Yay! Now we can relax, Mom says. Who wants ice cream? I do. I do. Emma and Ben shout. Cleaning is not fun. But ice cream is.
Thanks for watching. To improve your English listening, watch videos like this every day.